Good everyone, God bless you all. Good day, please if you are there. Just quickly help us share this very video. If you're there, help us share this video. God bless you, God bless you. In the name of the Most High, God bless you, God bless you. I quickly want to pass this piece of advice right now. Based on what happened, what transpired, one of our brother was kidnapped. Mira, eso hay que poner cinturón. Hay que poner cinturón, no puedo llevarlo así. Si vamos a manejarlo bien. Ya está grabado esa en la Facebook.
¿Las vamos a meter de pie o las vamos a tumbar?
Vamos a tumbarlo. Me voy a llamar a uno para que ayudar. Dime, Oye, pa. Mr. Francis. Do wherever I la do help me na mo machine na ye won na na. We ma dey ba. La help e mo yo. Cuando ponerlo ahí en la puerta, desde ahí puedo llevarlo con mano por dentro. This is what you call a nozzle pump. About. You know, this is not the main purpose why I'm doing this very video. I'm doing this video in respect of the injustice and the intimidation. They are over one of our brothers which we are in this struggle together, request for a gene in our politics. It was adopted probably the midnight today. I did a video at about 3 a.m. this morning. I was still on live broadcast. So I was the one that blew the alarm when I saw that something need to be done about this very thing, you know. Mira, hay que doblarlo. Vamos a romper todo eso. Mira, mejor doblarlo así, así no puedo coger.
Levanta, sí, hacerle caso.
Así no, doblarlo así. Remember, they're going to push the man around now on the edge. So that's that. We right now, struggling to make our money. But a lot of people feel sucking the state is going to make them the choosy one. Cain killed his brother in the book of Genesis chapter 4. Never make him an accepted one because he killed Abel. You know, but the way this thing is going, we have given a lot of prophecy on how we are supposed to respect ourselves, you know. Instead of you complaining, right now you have chest, past land, conjoined. And go show to Libyan. The Libyan people, show them they say you get a big wager. We know what we're going to go through when we are trying to migrate away from home. Right now, nobody want to migrate, you know. And politics, it becomes a do or die affair. Person not fit talk again. And person not fit talk again. But when I fit talk to person. Even I never leave the poor boy, more than leave him my beg. More than leave him, I not get what you do now. When I hear, for everyone that is supporting His Excellency, please try and speak out. Speak out. This intimidation, I guess, it just started right now. It may get to everybody. There are people who have been insulting the governor ever since they were born. Nothing have happened to them. Why do we become so? Okay, who ordered for this very poor boy's arrest? What has he done? What crime has he committed? If you talk now, wahala. But the war president today, Donald Trump, they talk to him. Black boy insulted Donald Trump the other day. Used all manner of words for him. This same boy later went for protest. Now this same boy now can hold dick for hand, rubber dick. He hold on for hand, they use until they play with talk bass. But people use man, they talk. And this person, let this person even be investigated. He never use hand. Even he not even fit key ant. Okay, who not fit key ant? Now go talk, you can't go the you can't go the border Ibadan. I bet more than free the guy back. Even I never leave him, more than leave him. All this is not fair now. And now be say, yeah, sweet day, so they talk for bongo. We not for don't go raise person family. Is there no people that have been sorting up bicycle and not see them there? Not be freedom of speech una can't put. If you happen to other person, go be freedom of speech. If you happen to una, you can't be saying an insult. Who knows saying get chest for Benin? Come look for money. Men they hustle. If you not come from here, go come from here. Right now, not be construction Saturday, so I did deposit all the coach. Me I show una container. Where men want load food today. At the end of the day, money wey want come inside. You know reach una to even they do recharge for una side chick. Una think say na do Odunga pass. Oh, but more na cool down. Everybody body they hot to. Body they pepper everybody badly. Badly. Nobody will not attend the school will not attend. Nobody, people don't do it too they do so they don't do and tired. They lay a year word then. But what go why you be? What go why you be seriously? Go. Them I was so we're going with them. Up and carry on from this side. When he got up to do, mais ça va au imut. Oui, c'est problème. La way for our guys get what organize no ba. So as soon as I call you, nah don't know there. So I know they do this to take the brand. So whatever thing we are doing, we are professionals, you see, and so all fun, you don't see, so we they use our head in everything. We they use our head in everything we they do. So now they can I don't the pepper on now. How many people now they don't arrest for on side? As soon as I say me they divide down, I'll be saying it. Mona deploy more people with get head. Enter social media, not do a rock. Where you the job, they put on more know how you get experience reach. The language where you did, you the speak and more they hear, more know as your influence be. Always in another year interview Spanish people in the bank, how they see Nigerian politics. Man, the year interview here. Mona the form Odunga, Mona not the form say man, now alone na just day pass. Person not just want to do but say man, people don't to read Bible, people don't to know value of human being. So be that so na no know and we na fit key, then no problem. Mona carry go. And then why be there, una I go clear. Now one thing una go do. Now sponsor na the spoilers. The day when I go talk to not supposed to talk. Maybe na CIA, na send down, come Naija, gun bongo, na I go clear that time. Because what was said na was set up. What was said we be say me we just carry foreign Interpol, farmers pumping, me found na trouble. Make them till they know na be. And the time go come. All the intimidation of it just dey happen. One I go, you just go kidnap person in the night. Now night they take they do arrest. Must you do arrest in the night? I not get am clear. Up to now, me never see who give me update now. Whether I don't leave the guy. The guy not be criminal. Criminal full street. I not fit talk to them. Yeah? Full and ASM they do their own. When our son and children and they do cutties until they kill themselves. Yeah? That one not the irritate to now. I beg more not take am easy and one year according to these people, you know. Now they just not take them to intimidate people. Now person be army. Now person be FBI. They not they use and disturb anybody. Yeah? Now person be brigadier commandant. For that Naija there, you still they let people they stay the area where in day. Then why will come become so wicked like this? Where will get this wickedness from? What is that wickedness, man? A wickedness in Ayakin. More take them easy, I beg. And Lord, I'm very honest. Business people they do, they go as go they frustrate all of them. This container now they go Dakar. This container they go Senegal direct. Every year talo, you man talo. We know they talk. If they go Senegal direct to see. Even born and have you were aging road. You know. Do you know what it takes? You they run shows. If the person don't see you, know they do anything. Megwati, I not fit tell you on my own now. I was called because of my experience. Guy, come and do this thing without you. I know if you do loading. If now I call the trust now not see me say I dey control people where they work. I'd be official in anything because we dey use our head. We not say because we dey think well, then we know people wey know wetin dey, then we come. We not use am to intimidate anybody. The gospel wey we bring, na gospel for better society. We not get time for intimidation. If I go even if beat you, I not fit intimidate you, but I go let correct you say, guy, no, stop am, e no good. Wanna stop all this nonsense. All this when they do so now, say, okay, now all of our children here go just as strong. HS must sit there on our children one day. HS go just sit there among your children. Okay, this is so a person do unto your pikin, you go feel. Oh, now the one everybody go the chop winch. Okay, if everybody they fly, who one can they do peacekeeping for the community? Everybody they fly. At least all this kind people go see day where just see they do their own, they go. Normally for community. Now they allow people go, they encourage people, make they go they feel say man, why they not be this? People go school finish, go higher institution. They keep waiting they know. And people be engineer now. Phone what they use to not be human being doing. What do they use our egbe that they manufacture? All we know say egbe with that. Let form a manufacturing company. More they manufacture things. Then we go get respect. Okay, they show now waiting. Mail now still they show us. Waiting now they use now head till they do. Say me based on my ruggedity. See waiting I don't form. Then we go there here. So okay, based on this thing, see waiting I don't form. We they use our head here. That's why they tell you now. We not the fair racism here. Where they so not be my own. I don't say until they work up and down. He man not control man. We have a control because of head will carry con. We not just come jam, come Zua. The right way we even get for jam, we not get time for home. That's why I say even though all blackie they say they can't breathe for jant. Me they breathe where and I know they breathe desodonated hair. Now better hair, better oxygen now they breathe. Why? Because of who me and don't say me I be. Nobody go fit intimidate me. You know they. But on our way before inside, I know they feel they breathe. Okay, they are abroad now, they jant and home now. Where the breathing day. Not be where now they talk say racism, they not be breathing still day. Now here we foresee the breathe where. All Obaseki supporters now, they want scare all of them. Tell me now who go fit talk to now again, I know they now. Everybody now will come to the data. Agberagbiden will attend the government of the don't yet it no what. Is this one of stupidity? But thank God say God just do one. He gave us an alternative. Una the one that's why make anybody from today not be able be your problem. Now your land, now your problem from they follow you, they come. Hunt away from house, come out. He get cough. He reach where he want hunt now, he cough. He want shoot the animal. The thing cough. You don't know say na house. Now wala from follow on. Na house wala from follow on. Now problem, the problem will get na house day. That's why Spanish person reach America today now. They not get any stress. Why they not get stress? Because their country good. They must respect them for wherever they go. But based on saying, these people know say we not get home. Now maybe they treat us bad. No, they call Igbo racist. If I see you again a black man, you call Igbo racist. Now your leaders for home now be the racist. What if these people don't do for you, your leader not fit doing. You go talk for outside, they not go mind you. They'll say now freedom of speech now you get. Wait till the justice way the way they demand for George Floyd. We go fit demand them for home. When something happen to somebody, they destroy property. This small girl where they killed that day now. How many churches they don't close for Benin? Say because a pastor do this atrocity. Even news can even later come and say pastor even give am belle. He tell the girl make the girl go abort and the girl no abort and make can send give them 1.5 billion make they go kill am. That thing, churches for Nigeria, all of them supposed to close. But look at George Nine police key so. Between Uwa, Omozuwa, Uwala Omozuwa, Vera Uwala Omozuwa, where they key and George Floyd, who you just say life go better pass. Uwa get womb, he get womb, he get womb. If at all, if he born, he great grandchildren, if he be president. Now so the judge still get multiplication, he still get reproductive system. So more they put value on, more they search things the way it happen. Okay, if it happen for Edo, black life no matter. Now when it happen for America, I never see now say okay, I don't see enter Facebook since. I never see say okay, beneath the role for everybody where they support Obaseki say this one are injustice. More now they speak out. But if it happen now, if they talk about Donald Trump, more they kill him first. We'll start all what we want to do. Revolution now process. It not just happen one day. Later, no, me I not here for now. So about the racist now. You where they camp now. Mbon go read, they will give you small cash. Ask people where they born, go how much our government they give them. Palliatives where they share for not. give them money, give them everything. They do anyone for South. Not be the one way Obaseki hands still reach. They worry and put. You know how many millions pass those palliatives? But those ones are part of the money. This one are money before we be the entire private person account. But yet we are not comfortable. Make we join hands to build up our state. For information, for those of you who don't dey jammed, be very close. They pray for this land where you dey. Not they focus on racism. Not they do bad. Obey the law of the land. If you dey go back, tell you say don't devast. Tell them say me voy a hacer compra. Ya está. No tiene que chillar, no tiene que molestar a los policiales. You know, hay que portar bien en su lugar, a donde está. So, como soy. You go portar bien, a normal thing. Obey the law of the land. It's in the book of Romans 13. Obey the law of the land. You have to obey, very compulsory. Because now your land now they resist you. Now your land problem day. You don't get problem for outside. We get problem for outside today. We dey protest now. 3 years proof of pay here. You go, you get your docu, go put in. They don't say you be daki. They know they resist you. If you complete, then go give you. But with the one paint, they want paint, all our political leaders, they go come the paint and racist to America. They know how to go on news. Television station know how to go. TV channel know how to go on news. Although media way they bongo, they know how to go. They don't have to go on here. They paint on. Atrocity way they happen for Kanu. I think I've seen yesterday they say a lot of people die. They burn several houses. Many are injured. Television channel they go talk them the way it be. If not this social media now, all news they cover them. Nobody go hear them. But if something happen, only one thing happen for America. All of them rather they can go they show picture. They make them show people where our leaders don't kill. Make them show who is the real racist here. An African leader be racist. Wanna leave the white man alone. Waiting with peace where you get here, not forget them. I will say not be job where not come today, you know, everywhere guy be. You can live all the rest of your life. Obey the law of the land. If Okbalekbe follow you the way they follow me one time. To the extent that they drive, they go one day, one they follow me. He want they form say me in 2 days. And me, I just see everybody get the way just take on his own. That day my head just the bust. Now I park for center of road. Now I say waiting, que pasa? Que pasa? Porque simply I trust the me todos los días. Que pasa? I ask a question. This one not be say control. If I want everything that I will give you, now I know the thing. If I don't use money to boast, now waiting happen now come to the boast. I ask him, que pasa? He don't say anything, tell me. Waiting, they say me you call me come. I dey busca. If I dey busca, let me know. Your guy need me. Todos los días, and so simply hacer los cosas los mismos. Porque tú simply conducir atrás de mí. ¿Qué quiere? I park for center of road. Now I llama audiencia for him here. The old treat, they look me. Now say, what did they happen? Why must you follow me all the time? If I bend, you go follow me. Now your park. They need me for your station. I met them. If you shame drive, come on. If they say, Keke, now say, Ke pasa? You don't let them follow me. What did I do you? I thief you. Now so it be. You go stand for your right. Because the thing, it will no longer too funny. Maybe they look and say, I be all those kind of people. Maybe who way they do bad. Up till now, we hold here strong. Okbalekbe go harass person like we'll go station match, go there. Pergunta por mi amigo. They say una arrest my friend. Wait, I want to check what he do. We they do one. Fear if you not let una do one. Our man call we they do one. But we not get the man to take it, the one we not get. Our the man will get now for liberation. I bet more not take them easy. Me I go do what I come for. If now una dey, I get a lot of opportunity where they show now for this very last video, you know. We're going to make all of our head big. Me, I know they give anybody attention. I believe saying now the same everybody be. You get on kind things say I just see code down. Like now midday on code. Every year Taladian, you know. If I even say I get money reach big gate. Mazugabon now my little brother. He was Dion. Our Nigerian leaders, they don't get outside country where they help. Jack Ma that day now one of the CEO of Alibaba. He not carry this come what do they call it? Lockdown. How many our politicians now see say it help like people like Niger? They never even help their local government. Not be only one like Mona carry. If Donald Trump come out now, they carry this microchip come. ahengari yemi you wa wegbe egeni go yire banku na I go clear nini go no wa suffer you na who wa e ya gbe you wa bo everything go knock for na hand that time everybody okay now you wait since you have been making the money the same giant in wajina maji many politicians come enter here as to be politician come function here now money be everything this man so when the decision na know how much he works now the same message just now if na bongo if fear go left una know how much he works he worth millions of euros but they not intimidate anybody but they'll still draw you close make you come dey run business with them but our own everybody dey form very awkward and backward set of people they chop the money. I beg good everyone, please, if you are maybe if you hate me, they are not see your comment, not vex. The page is still under attack, all these shenanigans. God bless you all in Jesus' name. I not saying I me get this property when they see you because some of una. Because I know say some people they sabi craze well. Not be me get not go wake me for not be me get time up. Now already they go just in case so wake baby or if they go Senegal, Dakar, now this thing they go so, you know. So make we take them easy. For those of us who are still out there to make sure we have a better society, just continue speaking. One day we may get it. But for those of you, if you are no longer finding it funny, then they say, make we not go down again, make we just stay like that, you know. Okay, if person like us don't come up down, don't come. We know people will read their hair, read the art. We be say we both cool them down. We know them for Jan here. Those one heard the odds. Now Jan I couldn't. Therefore, they steal our leader for Nigeria self. The bad people they even come on go Jan. Wakpon so about Europa. E we bodo change in Bune. Una for not feel condolence. For example, they Jan block today right now. Check out the youth where they come. Not the youth today so now. 2 years don't enter Kofra. Sí. No, vamos a cagar eso primero.
Venga.
Vale.
Déjate el teléfono, tío.
Sí. Vamos.
Quita de ahí. Joder.
Vamos a también.
Hay que meterlo así, Newton, porque yo las mecánicas no se las he quitado.
No, vamos a meterlo así. Uno de encima de otro, luego cantamos.
Así con las mecánicas.
Sí, así vamos a cargarlo. No hace falta quitar.
Claro que no.
No falta.
Los edificios las están cargando así.
Sí.
Y los cargan de puta madre.
No, desde el principio hacemos así.
Claro, el City no quiere. ¿Sabes por qué? Porque él vende cada cosa por un lado.
Sí. Pero... Vamos. Me voy a coger mi guante, los ponemos y... So God bless you all. Please share this video, let it go viral. More than tell these people where they rig for house, where this say those state natural resources and their personal heritage. Made them come down. Libya wa yeki, vani maya lare man. I have a guru over you, and made them come hustle. Made them leave natural resources alone. A government, a political science student, I imi roba. People just go waste their time, go school at the end of the day. Then people we not supposed to talk. We are our assistant men for school that year. Now not feel roll out again. Any material so nyemegbe. Sister fine boys. 200 fine boys enter treat for Benin. You want talk? Where fine boys they now bring will come they talk. Or what dimension? You go school, you go spend your money through way. Any theory no raw. I was so and so boy. They come from Abraka. Abraka boys is the Gualuwe. Or Uniben boys are Luther Jet. In your way. You know girl you want day rich. Any other suffer yewo. But what about them where Amamigele no see you? MSC, Amamigele no see you. Very painful. God bless you all in Jesus' name.